Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more travel tips and visa guide. Today we are talking about how to apply for a Dubai visa through Make My Trip. So it is one of the fastest and most reliable way to get the visa approval. Let's get started. So on Make My Trip, you will get the three type of visa, which is a 14-day tourist visa, 30-day tourist visa, and 90-day visit visa. 14-day tourist visa is ideally for a short vacation or a business trip. 30-day tourist visa is for a perfect for a standard holiday and a visiting relative. 30-day visit visa is for the extended holiday and long vacation. Let's see the documents which is needed for this visa. First is valid passport with at least 6 months of validity. Please make sure you have the valid passport with the required validity. Second one is passport size photo with the white background. Third one is confirmed return flight ticket. Make sure you will have that because Dubai or UAE government is very strict about it. Fourth one is hotel booking or a proof stay. If you have friends and family staying there, make sure you are asking for a EJRE certificate from them. Fifth one is optional but the travel insurance. I must recommend it to get the travel insurance. I have also applied for it from the Make My Trip itself. Please, if you need to apply for a travel insurance, go to my the another video and you will find the travel insurance also there. Now we'll go to the one by one procedure how you should apply for a Dubai visa. First, we'll go to the MMT site. This is a Make My Trip official site. We'll go here. You will see all the options there like flights, hotel, and everything. So you will have to tap the visa. Then you want to go to Dubai, but Dubai is a city. You have to apply for a United Arab Emirates visa. So, if you type Dubai also here, it will give you the same country. Then you have to select the dates, how many days you want to stay there. You have to just hit search. Here, this page will open. MMT assures that if the visa get cancelled, they will return your money 100%. So trust me guys, I get my visa from MMT, so you can trust and rely on this platform. It is good. Now, on the other hand, here they have mentioned all the details which I have already shared with you. Still, if you have any concern, you can drop me a in text in a comment box, or you can go through these details. Now, we'll go forward. We have here the price for per person Dubai visa. We have to pay for 6,800 rupees plus the taxes. We'll hit get start button and here we have to add the details like add the traveler. I'll write down a name and a gender and then you type your birth date. So I'll type down so birth date and here the traveler is added. You can hit continue button. Here we have a different types of visa. This visa type also I have already mentioned you. So 7,449 rupees per adult with taxes. I wanted to select because I'm going for a short vacation. As I have mentioned you, there are three types of visa. One is 14 days, 30 days, and 90 days. So this is a 30-day single entry visa, which is valid for a 60 days. That means in a 60 days you can go in Dubai for stay of 30 days. That is a visa. Then next one is 30-day multi-entry visa. I'm applying for a single entry which is having this price and for a multi-entry that means in 1 month you can go to Dubai how many times you want. So that costs 13,680 rupees and similarly for 60-day single entry, 60-day multi-entry visa. So let's hit continue button. And then here you have to add your documents. So first photograph, you have to add a photograph of the passport. If you go here and you can add your photograph passport, make sure you have front copy of passport and the back copy of passport. So you have to scan it very well. Your photo will be visible very properly. You have to make sure that. Second one is passport. You have to apply a passport size photo which is having a standard size, which is I think 35 by 45. You can go to the photographer and you can shoot it, or you can shoot it at your home also. You can take the picture and you can use the online platform to convert the size. Then you must apply for a round trip flight ticket. Then the accommodation. For accommodation, again there are two options. One is a hotel booking, which from wherever, whichever platform you have did it, you have to just apply the confirmation letter. Like I had applied from booking.com, so I have applied for that. So in the similar way, if you have relatives or friends there, you can ask for the ijari certificate from them and you can add it here, and then you can check all the details. Make sure you are adding everything. These things were added automatically when you apply add passport of there. Then you can uh, give the marital status and all the required information, and then you can just hit the continue button. And after that it will ask you for the pay for money, and then your track you can track your visa details on this app only. I'm going to show you how we can track this. As you can see, we just have to go to my trips and then you can see your bookings. If you go to the view bookings, then you will see all the data what you need. So this is how we should apply for a visa on Make My Trip. And then visa processing time is 3 to 5 working days. So I get my visa in 7 days because in between that we had a holiday, 2 days of holiday. That's why. But mostly you will get the visa in 3 to 5 days. Then next step is receiving visa on which platform. You can access it from the MMT platform as well from your booking. And another one is they'll send you the email, and from that email you will get the four PDFs. In that four, like one PDF, I applied for four, that's why I have to telling you the four PDF, one PDF. In that PDF only you will get your visa, and trust me guys, it's very easy procedure. You can do it at your home also. And if you need any guidance for the Dubai travel, or where to go, where you want to do the booking, or which platform is good, which stay is recommended, I must say you can ask me on the comments box, and I'll try to create a video for you and help you with each and every aspect wherever you need it. Thank you so much. I hope you liked my video.